eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know we are, and you know what we say.
Any day above and not under, y'all. It's a blessed day.
Amen.
So what time is it?
We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all, today we gonna do a little burping challenge. Yay! Man, Shona.
Period.
Alright, so let's just jump straight into the video.
We're gonna get into it's time for my comeback, y'all, from last time.
Oh, heck nah.
It's time for my comeback.
You know I'm about to chug this, right? I'm gonna knock out the ballpark. Told you I was gonna knock her out the ballpark.
She is the show off.
What I tell you? I told you.
Oh, she was not doing that in the last video.
On the first one. She can't hang, y'all. She can't hang.
Dig.
She can't hang.
No, you did not.
All my burping gang out there. We just killed her.
Jaleel. Everybody else who was here for her burping.
Boy, Trenton wanted this video so bad. So shout out to Trenton.
Hey,
Trenton, I know you want a family burping challenge so bad, but this is all I got for you right now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else in school and my son and my daughter,
they refuse.
They don't want to do it.
Refuse.
So it's just us.
Quan said, I don't burp on camera.
He said he don't eat on camera, he don't burp on camera.
Nothing.
He don't do nothing on camera. And Kyra. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, same difference. So. But you got me though. You got her though. All right, let me see what I got down there again. Come on, let's see.
She was such a show off for that one. Okay, yo, chug, I guess. You're gonna erupt. She is such a show off.
I feel good.
I don't think I got the tolerance to drink so much Coke at one time.
I feel good. I am actually happy with these two burps. Oh, she tried it. When you chug it, you get a really good burp. She ain't chugging. She barely drinking. She barely swallowed. That was a nice one.
I just dig that up.
Gotta give it up for her. She did good. Round of applause.
Baby,
Make that. Drop it to the floor. Make that. Let me see you. Let me see you chug it, okay?
okay.
Come on, chug. Bottles up, y'all.
Oh God, I don't know what I can compete with. Oh God, I don't know about finishing this Coke, y'all. That's just for my health. I feel like I needed a push.
Yes. Well.
Yeah, I'm not drinking no more.
And I can't drink anymore.
I
damn near finished the whole bottle.
cannot. As much as I try to battle my mom, she got one thing over me always. She gonna drink way more than me, and she gonna dang near finish it more than me.
And I did.
I have to eat and drink.
And I did.
I don't like to just drink.
Mm.
Yeah, unless it's water.
I know.
And water don't make you burp.
I drink a whole lot of that.
But I feel it bubbling.
But yeah,
in
I
my
feel
belly.
What, the soda? Yeah, you know you got it. Ooh, yes, girl. You need me to help you?
Yeah, it's pretty much gone now.
Hold up.
No.
That's the answer to that.
Wow.
You know?
She's impressive.
You know, you just gotta answer back. You feel me? It just is what it is. So, I got, you know.
I just love how she got her red hair on and then the pink.
Yep.
I'm just like, what's the color today?
We nice and bright.
Nah.
Can't miss me. I'm here.
You can miss, in matter of fact, you can't miss me. Well, you can miss me because I'm camouflage. She blows us every single day, y'all. Legit, every single day.
Y'all, let me tell you, I feel so happy. Like, I am so happy and proud of my kids. Very proud of my kids. They're all doing extremely well for themselves, and I'm proud. It makes me as a mom feels very good. Yay! I'm like, yes. I could give myself a pat on my shoulder and say, job well done, girl. Yes.
Period. And
all right.
Right. I'm about to say it on that note.
That's time for us to say